am Shushmita from Shushmita's Gallery. Today I come for showing you guys how to make daily use earrings which are very low cost and easily you can make for you as your style. Hope you guys like it. Do like, share and comment for more videos. Hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. First we need some raw materials like hooks, small charms, small colorful beads like this small and this also. So let's see the process. Type 1.
With the memories like a symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?